Hi, I'm David Emmanuel L. Torres, the Deputy English Principal of Mentari Intercultural School, Grand Surya High School Department.
Halo, saya Ibu Nita, Kepala Sekolah SD Mentari Intercultural School, Grand Surya.
Welcome to Mentari Intercultural School, Grand Surya, the place where you belong. Home is a place where you always feel that you belong, and with MISGS, you always have a place in our family. We are looking forward to meeting you on our virtual open house on September 9 and 10 to share with you our curriculum and our many other programs, especially our student activities program and our career in university program.
Senang sekali kami menyambut Bapak, Ibu, dan putra-putri semua dalam Open House 2022, di mana kita dapat mengenal filosofi Mentari Intercultural School, kurikulum dan programnya, dan mengapa Mentari Intercultural School Grand Surya adalah sekolah pilihan bagi putra-putri Bapak Ibu. Sampai bertemu tanggal 9 dan 10 September 2022 di Open House Mentari Intercultural School Grand Surya.